You're going to get everything you want and more, assuming you are consistent with it. Hey everyone, what's up? Devon here, and in today's video, I'd like to answer a question that we so often ask ourselves whenever we're trying to achieve a new goal. And that question is, when will it happen, right? When will we get the results or the outcome that we're looking for? I know that when I teach people internet marketing, right? When I'm teaching people how to make money on the internet, one of the questions that I get all the time is people will say, all right, Devon, if I do this exact thing on this exact day, the exact way you say it, when will I get the exact result? Or when I do this exact thing on this exact day, what will my exact result be, right? Or maybe you've got some fitness goal, right? And the question you might ask your trainer is, okay, well, if I come in on Monday and Wednesday on Friday and I work out for exactly 40 minutes and I do exactly A, B, and C, exactly how much weight will I lose? And the challenge when we ask ourselves, when will it happen, is that we're missing the point. So a couple things with regard to this. The first thing we need to understand is that it will happen when it happens. And when it happens is going to be a little bit different for everybody due to a number of factors that none of us can account for, right? Like, you can have two people and they do the exact same workout on the exact same days and eat the exact same food, and they're going to lose or gain a different amount of weight at the end of 2 weeks. Why? Because there are a million different factors with regard to this stuff. And you know that, and I know that, and we know that internally, but so often what we do when we want to achieve something is we're like, okay, well, if I do X, when will Y happen? And that misses the point. So the first thing I'll say is it'll happen when it happens. The second thing I'll tell you, which is really, really, really important to know, and by the way, I'm not throwing stones here. I make a lot of these videos so that I can tell myself what I need to hear. But the second thing that we need to understand with regard to when will it happen is that the purpose or the point of taking action towards our goals is not necessarily to achieve the goal. The purpose or the point is to create the habit that will eventually get us the outcome. So if you go to the gym and you work out every day and you eat right every day, when will you lose those 50 pounds? I have no clue. What I do know is that if you create the habit, if you create the lifestyle of eating right and working out every day, you're going to get everything you want and more, assuming you are consistent with it. What I do know is that if you're trying to make money online, and I'm teaching you, for example, how to, get traffic to a website and grow your audience and promote things to your audience, which is one of the things that I teach often, if your question to me is, Devon, if I buy exactly this much traffic, how much money will I make? My answer to you is, I don't know. I have no earthly idea. But what I do know is that if you continually drive traffic to your website and you continually build a relationship with your audience and you continually offer them products that they would find valuable, eventually you're going to make money. And the more you do it, the more you're going to get better at it and the more money you're going to make. And so what I want you to leave with today is this understanding that whenever you embark on a new endeavor, right? Whenever you set a new goal for yourself and you start towards it, the main question is not, when will I get this exact result if I do this exact thing? That's not the thing that we're going for. What we're really going for is, how long will it take me to generate the habit that I need to generate? That's what I want you to focus on. And if you do that, then understand that the results will come when they come. And they will come the way they are supposed to come. And it might not look exactly like you think it's going to look, but rest assured that they will come. The results that you're looking for will come if you will just take the action consistently. So no more of this, if I do X, when will Y happen? Instead, we say, you know what? I have this goal, and I understand I have to take these actions to get it, so I'm going to take these actions consistently. I hope that helps. Thanks for taking the time to watch this short video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey, Devon here. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and connect with me on social media. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to share it with your friends.